I'm Alessandra.
And I'm Adrian.
And this is our kidney video project. This is the renal medulla. It is in charge of maintaining the body's balance by filtering waste materials and regulating the fluid levels by assisting in the reabsorption of filtrate and ions. It controls the fluid retention and electrolyte balance. This is the renal capsule. It is a dense fibrous connective tissue sheath which is present beneath the perirenal adipose tissue and renal fascia. It is a very dense membrane sheath that surrounds the kidney, and it helps protect it from various infections and trauma. This is the renal cortex. It is the outer layer of the kidney and responsible for filtering blood to produce urine, which removes waste products, excess water, and electrolytes from the body. It houses the glomeruli and the nephron tubes where filtration and reabsorption occur. This is the ureter. It is a muscular tube that ensures that a combination of filtered waste and excess water move away from the kidneys and is collected in the bladder for eventual elimination from the body.
The next structure we have up next is the medullary pyramid. And the primary function of the medullary pyramid in the kidney is to produce and concentrate urine by housing the collecting ducts that transport filtrate from the neurons to the renal pelvis. So right here, this is the minor calyx, and the minor calyx is the thing that's going to collect the urine from each renal pyramid's papilla, and it's going to channel it into the major calyces. This will then merge into the renal pelvis to form the urine-carrying pathway to the bladder. Here is where we will find the renal pelvis, and this area is responsible for collecting the urine from the nephrons and acting as a funnel to channel it into the ureter, which then is going to transport the urine to the bladder. The next part of the kidney that we have is the major calyx, which goes right here. The major calyx is the part of the kidney that collects the urine from several minor calyces and funnels it into the renal pelvis. This then directs the urine to the ureter for transport to the bladder. This is acting as a collecting point in the process of waste, and it helps remove the fluid from the body. So next after the glomerulus is going to be the loop of Henle, and the loop of Henle's primary function is going to be to concentrate urine and regulate the body's water and salt balance, and it's going to be doing this by concentration gradient. So now we have the Bowman's capsule, and the Bowman's capsule is going to function as the first step in the urine formation, and it's going to do this by collecting the filtered fluid from the glomerulus. So when it gets filtered here, it goes through to the Bowman's capsule to continue through. The next structure will be the collecting duct, and the collecting duct's primary function is going to be to regulate the body's water and electrolyte balance through selective reabsorption and secretion, and it's also going to